Today's multi-purpose exercise is brow lifting. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize the skin. For this move, start to lift upwards on your brows towards your scalp. Do this smoothly and slowly for 20 seconds on each brow. Move from the tip of your brows towards the temples and try to lift all parts above the brows. With this move, you are not only lifting your brows and your eyes, but you are also reducing any wrinkles on the forehead area, especially horizontal wrinkles. This massage will also reduce brow muscles tension and help them to relax and lengthen. As a result, it will reduce frown lines as well. This gentle massage will also reduce tension headaches and help you to relax. For even more relaxation and detoxification, after you're done with this move, put your fingers on the middle of your forehead and start to pull outwards super slowly. This will help you to relax and detoxify the skin. Finish it with a gentle massage on your temples. This was it for today's multi-purpose exercise. See you next one. Bye.